Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the NEMIX RAM 48GB DDR5 ECC unbuffered UDMM. This isn't your average memory module. It's a powerhouse designed for servers, workstations, and even high-end gaming machines where stability and performance are paramount. NEMIX RAM, as a distributor manufacturer, specializes in enterprise-grade memory. This particular module boasts a capacity of 48 gigabytes, operating at a speedy 5,600 MHz. It's a PC5-4 4800 module, running at a modest 1.1 V with a CL46 latency. The 2RX8 configuration ensures efficient data handling. What sets this RAM apart is its ECC, or error-correcting code, functionality. This is crucial for environments where data integrity is non-negotiable. ECC memory detects and corrects errors on the fly, preventing crashes and ensuring the reliability of your system. If you're dealing with critical data or running applications that demand unwavering stability, ECC memory is a must-have. The unbuffered UDIM design makes it compatible with a wide range of systems. Installation is generally straightforward. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of upgrading memory, suggesting it can be done in minutes. However, always consult your owner's manual for specific instructions for your system. The benefits of upgrading to a module like this are clear. More memory translates to smoother multitasking, faster application loading times, and improved overall system responsiveness. For professionals working with large datasets, video editing, or running virtual machines, 48 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM can be a game changer. Gamers, too, can see improvements in frame rates and reduced stuttering, especially in memory-intensive titles. NEMIX RAM stands behind its products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the quality and durability of their memory modules. They also offer support from an IT staff, which can be helpful if you encounter any issues during installation or operation. While the CL46 latency might not be the absolute lowest on the market, the ECC functionality and the sheer capacity of this module make it a compelling choice for users who prioritize stability and reliability above all else. If you need rock-solid performance and data integrity, the NEMIX RAM 48GB DDR5 ECC unbuffered UDIM is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.